Press the power key to turn on. Place the instrument on the white standard board. Press the cal key to calibrate first. The reading should be same with the calibration value on the board. Then place the instrument on the black standard board. The reading should be 0. If not, press the 0 key. To measure the reflectance value, place the instrument on the surface of the measured object. Press the RB key, and the display reading is the measured value. Make sure to press the RB key every time when measure. Both RB or RU key can measure the reflectance. Cryptometer value first. Place the instrument on the black testing board which covered with test sample. Press the RB key. Then place the instrument on the white testing board which covered with test sample. Press the RU key. After measuring the RB and RU values, the instrument will calculate the coverage value automatically. Turn off after the work.